Good morning children, Joyada here. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do question number 8 and 9 from exercise 2.5 and few sums from exercise 2.6. Now the last two sums from exercise 2.5, question number 8. Shama bought 5 kg 300 grams apples and 3 kg 350 grams of mangoes. Sorola bought 4 kg 800 gram oranges and 4 kg 150 gram bananas. Who bought more fruits? That means the measurements are given for apples and for apples and mangoes you need to add. So Shama bought 3 kg 350 gram apple. So Shama bought apples 5 kg 300 gram, 5 kg 300 gram and apples 3 kg 350 gram. 3 kg 350 gram. In total, you add this 5, 0, 6 and 8 kg, 8 kg 650 gram. Sorola bought 4 kg 800 gram of oranges and 4 kg 150 gram of bananas. 4 kg 800 gram of oranges and 4 kg 150 gram of bananas. In total 950 gram, 8 kg 950 gram. So 8 kg 950 gram and 8 kg 650 gram. Which one is more? And you can easily compare it as 8 kg 950 gram is more than 8 kg 650 gram. Therefore, who bought more food? Therefore, Sarala bought more fruit. Next question is question number 9. How much less is 28 kilometer than 42.6 kilometer? How much less is 28 kilometer? That means 28 kilometer is less than 42.6 kilometer. It is very clear. But the question is how much it is less. So you need to subtract the decimal numbers. So 42 directly you can do solution. 42.6 kilometer minus 28.0 kilometer, subtract it and you will get 6.8 to 12 4 1 carry 1 14.6 kilometer. Therefore how much it is less? 28 kilometer, or directly you can write the answer. It is 14.6 kilometer less. Understood? Now I will start question number, exercise number 2.6. Here we have to do the multiplication of decimal numbers. Multiplication of decimal numbers. When you are multiplying decimal numbers with a whole number, what will be the result? Now see, it is 0.2. You can write 2. It is 10th place, so 2 by 10. Because after point 1 places are there, 1 places is there, so it will be 2 by 10 into 6. That means it will, you can write in this way 12 by 10, or you can write 1.2, because after decimal it is only 10. After it is 10th place, so after decimal you need 1 place. So this is the answer. Next question is, question number 3. 1, 3, 5, 7. The remaining sums are same, so I am doing some selected sums only. So it is 271 by 100, because it is 100 place. After decimal 2 places are there, into 5. you have to express it in the decimal form, so no need to cancel. What you will do, you will just multiply 271 into 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 7 ja 35, 3 carry, 5 10 ja 5 2 ja 10 and 3 13 by 100. So what can you write after decimal? Two places of two zeros are there, so two places of decimal it will go 13.55. Understood? Come to the next question. Now question number 5, it is 0.05 into 7. So it is 100 plus 5. After 5 it will be, because 0.05, this left side 0 has no value, so I have not written now, into 7. 5 7 ja 35 by 100. Two places of two zeros are there, so two places of decimal will we have to write, so it will be 0.35. Question number 7, 2.86, 2 into 0.86, it is 2 into 86 by 100, multiply 2 into 86, 12, 12 16, 117, 172 by 100, two zeros are there, so two places of decimal, 1.7, 200 place, so two places of decimal. I hope whatever we have explained today you understand, and thank you students.